What's up guys, Greg with PizzlesTechTime back again with another video, and today we're going to be looking at the Amorno SX888. They're stereo Bluetooth headphones which boast a folding design as well as a noise cancellation feature with super bass. So now I know what you guys are thinking, well, don't you usually cover LG, Samsung, and the bigger brands? So sure, I do review Samsung and LG headphones all the time. I also like to take a look at smaller companies, that way I can find you guys budget products that you can use every day. Now, these caught my eye because they're boasting some kind of noise cancellation. I don't believe it's active noise cancellation, which would use a microphone to analyze the background noise, but reading through the specs of this actual Bluetooth headset, it does boast the feature of noise cancellation, as well as super bass, foldable design, and retractable earbuds. So these headphones are a wicked good deal. They're coming in at $35, and sometimes you can apply a coupon code to your cart on Amazon. So if you're interested in purchasing these headphones for whatever reason, if you look down below, I'm going to have a link for you guys to click, and that way you can help support my channel. They do feature voice prompts, so you'll be able to control them with your voice. Super bass. Now these are going to take 3.5 hours to charge. These things are going to give you 12-hour talk time and 10-hour music time. That's pretty amazing, guys. For $35 headphones, you're getting battery life just like the LGs and just like the Samsung. Now, if you ask me why these are my favorite type of Bluetooth headphones, is because they sit around your neck and they actually are so big that they can contain enough battery that'll last the whole day. I don't like these little earbuds. You have to put them in a case to charge them. I just don't have time for that. I don't know about you guys, but I don't. So these are going to be sweat proof as well, and they're Bluetooth 4.1. So this is pretty awesome, guys. Budget headphones, sweat proof, noise canceling. I mean, it seems like it has it all. So why don't we open up the box, see what comes inside. These are the Amorno Bluetooth headphones that we saw earlier. I'm going to open it up. Right here on the package, you'll see that it has super bass, voice prompt, vibrate for incoming call, and retractable earbuds. Open up the box here. We've got a 1-year warranty, support at Jeco Electronics. Okay, cool. We've got some instructions, want to read those properly, and we've got the foldable headphones, and they look pretty cool right here. Let's see, we've got some earbuds, we've got a charging cable, and the headphones themselves. Now look at this little tab right here. It makes it easy to pull out the headphones. That's awesome. Very thoughtful packaging. Not bad looking headphones. Now they do lock like that, and once they're on your neck, it doesn't seem like they're gonna fold in or anything. Now see, there's a little wedge right there, and that allows the headphone to retract like so. So that's pretty awesome, and these are rated for over 5,000 uses, 5,000 retractions and detractions, or whatever you would call that. Traction. I need a traction, like Sal from Howard Stern. I need a traction. I'd like a traction on what I just said. Unlike most headphones, you're not going to have a lot of components in the actual neckband. They're actually going to be, for the most part, the battery and the wires are going to be right here. So there's probably a very so I'm guessing left and right must both have their own Bluetooth receivers, because I don't see a wire. I don't see a wire going in between these. So right here you've got plus and minus for the volume. We've got a phone button and an on button. Okay, the vibrate, nice and strong there. And we've got left and right. So the right side has all the controls. The left actually doesn't have anything, so fold that up, put it right in your pocket. Now let's test the retraction of the actual earbuds. So if they were hanging on your neck like so, wow, it's pretty loud. Okay, those headphones are, after a while, they'll get less like that, so let's hit that button. Okay, now I found when using headphones like that, it's best to go over here and then grab the wire itself and pull it out. You don't want to put too much stress on this connection right here, because it can break over time. And the headphones themselves have a rubber cap around them, easier to grip, and they seem to be working pretty well. Retraction button is right here. All you've got to do is hit it like so. Okay, So let's charge these bad boys up fully, and we're going to do a sound test. Now these are the Amorno foldable Bluetooth headphones, and I've been using them all day, and I do like the design of them. They're very functional. In order to make sure that these headphones last the longest for you, if you have these, pull it out, and then when you're retracting it, hold your hands right here. So then it goes right into your hand, catch it in your hand, and then let go, and then do the rest. Because if you don't, you can feel that wind up. Watch how it slams into it. So it slams into the headphones, and you don't want to do that kind of damage to the headphones. Okay, so what you want to do is you want to power them on like so. And if you want to change the EQ, you hold this button forward like this, and you'll hear it beep, and it cycles through high bass, normal, and low feature for the EQ. Okay guys, so it's very simple to use, and I've got to say I really like the sound of these headphones. Now, I can't hear anything else when I'm using these, so they actually suggest that you lower the volume if you want to hear things around you, but it does input some kind of noise, and it also fits in your ear pretty tightly. When I have the music on, I could not hear myself at all. So I think that's pretty awesome if you're trying to disconnect from the outside world. The sound quality with the ultra bass mode on is pretty fantastic. I think it sounds good. Now for the price, these things are pretty amazing. I'm not going to compare them to $200 headphones or $100 headphones because these are $30 headphones, okay? I love these for work. You know, if you wanted to put them in your pocket, you can. You just fold them up. So a guy like me, I'm a truck driver, so 5 days a week I'm crammed in a loud truck, and these headphones will definitely help out with that, and I'm going to be taking them to work with me next week. They get very loud, and I really like loud headphones. Some people notice some sound distortion when you turn the volume up really loud. I'm not getting too much of that. I like to turn it one down from completely all the way up. The voice prompt is working, the voice command, whatever you want to call it, is working. The sound quality is pretty great for the price. I'm considering it. Yes, the sound quality sounds pretty good. One thing that I'm finding about these headphones is the reaction when you zip it back up is very tight. Maybe it'll get a little looser with time. When I have the sound on and I input them, I get this weird noise. But I've got to say, for the price, these are pretty great. When you're reeling them in, keep your hand right there and then press it again and let it slide back. Because the more that this bangs up against there, the more damage that there's going to be to the connection. And you want to keep these headphones in great condition for as long as possible. That way you're getting the most for your money, guys. If you have any questions at all about these headphones, drop them down below and I'll be happy to answer them for you. Also, thanks to Amorno for sending these out to me to test. I greatly appreciate it. This really helps me continue to grow, as well as when you guys subscribe, like, and comment. So thanks so much for watching. I'm Greg with PizzlesTechTime, and I'll see you next time. Peace.